Introduction to budget-friendly meal planning.
Eating healthy for fitness goals doesn't have to be expensive. With thoughtful meal planning, you can fuel your body and achieve results while keeping costs low. In this guide, you'll learn practical strategies for affordable grocery shopping, meal prep tips, and smart choices that maximize nutrition without straining your wallet.
Setting nutrition goals within your budget.
Start by identifying your fitness and nutrition needs. Whether you're aiming to build muscle or lose weight, prioritize protein, fiber, and essential nutrients. Focus on whole foods like grains, beans, eggs, and seasonal produce. These options are typically less expensive and provide the building blocks your body needs for effective workouts.
Smart shopping strategies.
Plan your meals and make a detailed grocery list before shopping. Buy in bulk when possible, especially for items like oats, rice, and frozen vegetables, which offer great value. Take advantage of sales, store brands, and local farmers markets to stretch your food budget. Avoid shopping while hungry to minimize impulse buys.
Meal prep for savings and convenience.
Batch cook meals and portion them for the week ahead. Preparing dishes like baked chicken, stir fries, or hearty soups not only saves time, but reduces waste. Store leftovers in reusable containers for easy grab-and-go meals. This approach helps you stick to your plan, avoid pricey takeout, and stay aligned with your fitness goals.
Sample affordable meal ideas.
Explore simple, balanced meals such as oatmeal with fruit, bean and veggie chili, or tuna salad with whole grain bread. Pair proteins with complex carbs and a variety of vegetables. Rotate your menus for variety and enjoyment. These meals are not only budget-friendly, they also deliver the nutrients your body needs to stay energized and recover from workouts.
Conclusion. Staying consistent and motivated.
Consistent meal planning is the key to healthy eating on a budget. With a little effort, you can enjoy nutritious, satisfying meals that support your fitness journey. Track your spending and celebrate small wins to stay motivated. Remember, making smart food choices is an investment in your health, both now and in the future.